Do you ever have the problem where you have just old, type tools like a reciprocating saw or a drill? Check this out. Voila! Hey everyone, Scott from Scott's Top Tips. Do you ever have the problem where you have just old, type tools like a reciprocating saw or a drill? They have all of the power cords and maybe they're fraying like that one there. I don't want to spend another $300 to $400 on piecing out these type of drills. So if you're just a homeowner and you want to get past that and you want to not spend on expensive equipment, check this out. So I've been wanting to do this for many years and I finally just pulled the trigger on it. I just got the all-in-one kit from Ryobi and we're gonna check it out. I'm gonna unbox it, but it has drill, it has a impact driver, and why am I just talking about it when I can show you guys? Check it out, okay? Voila! Check out everything that this kit comes. It was $199 at Home Depot. So we're gonna unbox it. And these are all the tools that really you need to maintain your home. Or if your daughter, sons, whatever, friends are in an apartment and the landlord just isn't getting their maintenance crew to fix stuff right away, hey, grab some of this stuff, go over there and fix it. So let's open this up. All right, let's get our little box opener. Now, make sure you don't cut yourself. Be very careful. Always close it. Right, pop this open. Ooh, check it out. This is nice. The whole kit comes in a bag. All right, I guess we just got to lift that out. Ta-da! Hey, that's actually pretty nice. Durable bag, canvas, cross stitch on the handle so it doesn't tear. It's like a durable zipper as well, which is nice. Bunch of just the paperwork. Here's all of the manuals. If this is new to you, you may want to read all of these. Or better yet, what I do is I don't want to read all this small print and go through all of this. So I'll take photos of the user guides with my camera, and then I'll upload them into your generative AI model, whether it's ChatGPT, Copilot, Claude, Perplexity, whatever, right? Upload that in there and just tell them, give me key points, give me the essentials. You don't want to read through everything. You can just prompt it too. I want to know how to use it to do this. It'll look at this, scan it, which is through optical character recognition. It'll give you all of your bullets and it'll tell you exactly what you need to know instead of having to read through all of that. All right, let's continue on. All right, so you must have a battery charger. So this one's cool because you can hang it on the wall, which is probably what I'm going to do, maybe up here. Drop it right down there or so, and move it closer. This way I can plug in the batteries, okay? Let's find one of the batteries. Well, we'll get to it. Yeah, set that aside. Let's see what else we got here. This is nice. This is a multi-tool, so I'm gonna have a bit, and it actually reciprocates like that, and it does cutting. So that's actually very versatile and useful just around the house, baseboards, whatever. Now we got the circular saw, which is nice. Everything's battery powered, which is even nicer. So if you need to cut something up, there you go. This one's probably the reciprocating saw, yep. So that's basically what I showed you on the other opening of this video. but this is a reciprocating saw. You have your blade and it just goes back and forth and cuts. Different attachments and looks like blades in there. Yep, there's a blade. This is the battery. Let's open that up quickly so we can see how this works. We got a drill, which is nice, safety. And then this just pops in like that. Very nice. It's already charged. Then you just depress and remove. And as I was talking about, if I take this and hang it on the wall, you always take it out and it charges. And you just depress it, put it into the tool. All right, let's continue on. Get rid of that. Kind of boxed it out so it fit inside the cardboard box. Don't need any of this stuff. There it is, circular saw blade. They actually protected it here. They put some plastic on it, which is nice. This one here is actually pretty cool. It's a light. Let me grab the battery. Just put this in. And, oh, snap. Look at that, that is super bright. What's nice about this is you can just set it. Oh, look at that. I like how this tilts. This is actually nice. I didn't know, really I was gonna get this. I saw it on the box, didn't really know how useful it'd be, but definitely useful. Cool. Depress it, remove. We actually got a more durable battery. This one here is more hefty. So I imagine it's for the impact driver. So if we remove this, pop that out. There we go, impact driver. Safety. Sweet, love it. We just have the bag and I just want to see if there's any pouches in here. It doesn't look like it, but it's a durable bag. What's nice about all of this too is you have all of your kit in here, and if you need to go mobile, go over to your apartment or your mom and dad's house or friends, you just grab the whole kit. You don't have to piece right and grab everything and throw it in a box or individually in your car. Grab the whole kit. So this is nice. All right, that's it. Scott from Scott's Top Tips. Please subscribe, comment, all of that helps motivate me to kick out more of these videos. And yeah, let me know what you think and let me know if there's anything else you want me to do a video on. And other than that, we'll see you on the next video.